Hello, you are welcome. The question here says simplify 9 raised power negative x multiplied by 3 raised power x plus 2 divided by 81 raised power negative 1 over 4x. Now, for us to solve this, let's apply some basic laws of indices. Now, if we check 9, 3, and 81, they can all be broken down to the same basis. They can all be broken down to the same basis. So I'll write this 9 now as 3 square. And then don't forget raised power negative x. And then multiply by this 3 raised power x plus 2. In indices, when you have powers adding like this, it means you can multiply by the same base, which is 3, or raised to the power of this other value, 2. So that when you want to simplify it, you can take one of the base as indicated here, and then you add their powers, which is what is shown here. So when you want to break from this form to this form, what you simply need to do is to take this base raised to the power of this, multiply by the same base raised to the power of this other value. Now, it says divided by 81 can be expressed in base 3 as 3 raised to the power of 4. 3 raised to the power of 4 will give us 81. When 3 is raised to the power of 4, it gives us 81. So 3 raised to the power of 4, and then multiply by this power outside, which is 1 over 4, all multiplied by x. Now, working further, we can use these powers now inside the bracket to multiply the power outside the bracket. So this can be written as 3 raised to the power negative 2x. When this 2 multiplied by negative x, it gives us negative 2x. And then multiply by 3 raised to the power x, multiply by 3 raised to the power 2, and then divided by 3 raised to the power 4. This 4 now is multiplying negative. This 1 over 4 can be expressed as x multiplied by 1, which is x, all over 4. So negative 1 over 4x is the same thing as negative x over 4, because this x multiplies the numerator 1 and then all over the denominator. So here you agree with me that this 4 can cancel this 4 when they multiply each other in multiplication, because we are multiplying the powers. So this simplifies now to 3 raised to the power negative 2x multiplied by 3 raised to the power x multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2. Then we can say divided by 3 raised to the power negative x. That is what is left here, negative x. Now, according to indices again, when you have the same basis like this, when they are multiplying each other, you add their powers. But when they are dividing, you subtract the powers. So what you need to do is to, because all the bases are the same, you simply take only one of them. So I'm going to take out of these all bases, they are all 3, so I just take only one. And then now, this is multiplying this, so I simply add their power. So I'm going to say negative 2x plus x. And then it's also multiplying this one, so I also add the power to this. That is 2. And then this is division. So in division, you subtract powers. So I'm going to subtract. So this subtraction is this sign. Then what is this power? Negative x. The power is negative x. So because I'm subtracting, I've written the subtraction sign. And then what power is this? Negative x. So I write it as negative x. So I can now simplify further and say 3 raised to the power minus 2x plus x plus 2. Negative multiplied by negative is plus. So plus x is give us positive. So now With this done, the next thing I'm going to do is to add the powers together or simplify the powers. So I write the base down, which is 3. Negative 2x plus x will give us negative 1x. Then negative 1x plus x will give us 0. Don't forget. Or let me simplify one step before I do that. So I have 2x. X plus x, that is 1x plus 1x is also 2x. So I can write it as 2x. And then this 2 here, so plus 2. So it will be easier for us to see clearer. So I now have 3. Negative 2x plus 2x is 0. And then I have only, excuse me, I have only plus 2 here. Because negative 2x plus 2x is 0. So finally, 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. So the final answer is 9. Excuse me. So please subscribe to this channel. This is the final answer. Subscribe to this channel so that I can get more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.